In 28 days, we made over $3,485 from 2 different income streams on TikTok, all thanks to AI automation. No editing, no filming, not even showing my face, just AI doing pretty much most of the work. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it so you can do it too. Welcome to AI Hustle Strategies, and in today's experiment we have 5 major steps. The first step is the strategy and setup, where we're going to create the script, the voiceover, and video editing with AI. Then we have the automation. We're going to talk about the bulk scheduling and the trend tracking. Step 3 is the daily process. The fourth step is results, monetization, and key takeaways. And finally, the challenges I faced and tips for successful experiment. Alright, so I started by asking ChatGPT to generate 30 fresh TikTok scripts ideas tailored to my niche. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna do only 5 scripts, so it won't be too long. And in my case, I worked on the life hacks niche. So we're gonna go over and type, write 5 TikTok scripts about facts that makes you smarter. In under a minute, we have a list of viral worthy scripts. Now we're gonna choose a script. Let's see what we got. I like this one. I'm gonna copy this script, and next we're gonna feed the script into an AI voice tool like 11 Labs. It converts text into smooth, natural sounding. This is a platform you should see once you create an account on 11 Labs. So we're gonna go over and click on text to speech right here. Once we get here, we're gonna copy our script and then delete anything that we don't want to hear in the voiceover. Alright, so now we're gonna choose a voice. Let's see.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Not bad.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me
Actually,
when
this
I
is
was
not for
just
this
6
video.
years old. Son,
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, talk plainly.
Mark sounds good.
The thing always happens that you
I
really
think I'm gonna
believe
choose
in,
Brian.
and the belief.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Brian. Let's just see how it sounds.
The 10-minute power of napping. Feeling sleepy? Here's a fact that could change your whole routine. Studies show that taking a 10-minute nap can boost your memory and improve your alertness for hours. Napping too long might leave you groggy, but just
Alright, I think it's a bit too fast, so we're gonna correct the speed and click on regenerate.
Just set a timer and nap it out. The 10-minute power of napping. Feeling sleepy?
Yeah, it
Here's a
sounds
fact
better
that could change
actually.
your whole routine. Studies show that taking a 10-minute nap can boost your memory and improve your alertness for hours. Napping too long might leave you groggy.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go over and download the voiceover. Finally, I use an AI video creator like pictory.ai where I can put the script and the voiceover and create a full video from scratch. So let's go back and copy our script and head over to pictory.ai where we're going to paste our script. So once you create an account, this is a platform you should see. You click on text to speech and then we paste our script, correct anything that need to be corrected. Just like this, and click on proceed. And wait for some minutes. It's gonna take like 2 minutes or something. We got our full video. Now we're gonna check the scenes. Maybe we need to correct some things like the title right here. I don't want to see it, so we're gonna delete it. Right. Yeah, and now we're gonna upload our voiceover. You just have to copy and paste it basically, or just drag it.
The 10-minute power of napping. Feeling sleepy? Here's a fact that could change your whole routine. Studies show
Yeah,
that
it sounds
taking a
good.
10-minute nap
Also
can
gonna
boost
go
your
ahead
memory
and click on
and improve
apply,
your alertness for hours.
and we're gonna click entire
Napping can be
video.
long-
And we're gonna wait for the voiceover to be applied. Let's just check how the
The
video
10-minute
looks.
power of napping. Feeling sleepy? Here's a fact that could change your whole routine.
Oh, looks good actually. So we're gonna go over and download it. Of course, it's gonna be no watermark. Step 2 is automation. Instead of manually posting each video, I schedule them in bulk using tools like Hotsuite or Social Pilot. Here's how it works. So this is the interface of Social Pilot once you create an account. We're gonna go ahead and connect our TikTok account. So we're gonna click on accounts, connect account. Then we're gonna go to TikTok, connect business. I already did that before. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm try doing it again to show you how it works. Let's see. So now, how long have you been taking? Yeah, of course. I told you I already did that before. So I'm gonna go back to the main page. Our account is connected, and we're gonna head over to post, create post, and we're gonna upload our videos. In my case, I only created one video, so I'm gonna upload that video, but you should be having a lot of videos, so you're gonna upload them all at once because the goal is to bulk schedule them. Let's wait. Alright, so our video is uploaded. Now we're gonna write a title. I like to stay focused all day long. Alright. Now we're gonna schedule the post. You're gonna do that for all the videos, of course. You're gonna choose the date and the day. Oh yeah, don't forget to add tags. I forgot to do that, so you're gonna click on add tags, and you should be adding some tags according to your niche, of course. And voila. Now if you want to edit your video or make some changes, you click on posts, manage posts, and then you choose the video you want to edit. Click on edit, and then change whatever needs to be changed. Or you can add some hashtags, you can change the title, or you can even delete the video and post another one if your video is not doing good. I use trend talk or exploding topics to identify emerging trends in my niche, or say a new game update or viral beauty hack. These tools pinpoint the moment trend head up, so I can quickly create related content. The result? I'm always ahead of the curve. As you can see, here we got all the trends with search volume and everything. We can even filter it by niche, for example gaming, or by region, let's say what's trending in the USA right now. This automation means your account stays active and engaging even while you sleep. It's like having a 24/7 social media manager working for you. Even though AI is doing all the hard work, you have to, let's say, supervise it. So over the course of 28 days, I followed the disciplined process. Every morning, I'd review my analytics dashboard to see which type of content were performing best, then adjust my content plan for the day accordingly. For instance, on day 5, I noticed that videos with a certain hashtag were getting more traction, so I immediately pivoted, generating more content around that trend. By leveraging real-time data, I could consistently refine my approach. This constant feedback loop was crucial and one of the biggest reasons my earnings soared by the end of the month. So, what were the results? After 28 days of rigorous testing and optimization, I ended up earning more than $3,000. $2,560 from a TikTok Creator Reward program and $925 from affiliate marketing. Here's a breakdown. My videos consistently hit high engagement rates, driven by AI's ability to identify trending topics and optimize posting times. 3.2 million views in total videos, leading to $2,560 from the Creator Rewards program alone at $0.8 per mile. Well, that depends on your niche. It can go from $0.2 to $1 per mile. Next, I integrate affiliate links into my TikTok's bio. For example, if you are in a beauty niche, you might add a link to a skincare product, earning a commission on every sale. With high conversion copy, even a small percentage of your audience clicking can generate real revenue. By combining these revenue streams, this system not only builds your audience, but consistently turns engagement into income. AI handles the heavy lifting while you enjoy the passive income. Of course, no experiment is without its challenges. At times, the AI tools didn't deliver exactly as expected. I encountered issues like lower engagement on certain days and technical glitches with the scheduling tool. How did I overcome these? I quickly adjusted my strategy, switching up hashtags, tweaking the content style, and most importantly, not being afraid to make sense some manual intervention when needed. These lessons are vital. When using AI, always remember that human insight is the final ingredient in the recipe for success. Use the tools, but don't let them dictate every move. So there you have it, my 28-day journey on TikTok using AI automation. If you're ready to start your AI income journey, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Like they say, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one click, so take action now. Comment down below if you got any question on this strategy. I'll be glad to help you guys. The tools I used are in the description. See you in the next video.